Hello everyone, I am Apurva Sood and I'll be solving the problem statement 1 of task 2 using Excel by StarTech Academy. So these were the set of instructions given to us, and in the upcoming sheets I'll walk you through the approach I used to solve these questions. Every sheet had a table of information based on which we have to come up with some plots. So creating a line graph for profit and profit margins for different years. Here you can see that we have the information of net profit, and when I click on these squares I'll get the net profit margin percentages. So yes, net profit margin percentage for 2016 is 9 and so on. Moving on, I plotted a column chart based on the year and revenue columns. Here I took on the x-axis and revenue on the y. So basically column charts are used when the data has small number of discrete categories. Each of those categories has single value. So here you can see that whenever we click on a bar, the corresponding values are highlighted in the table. Next was the expense breakup and other expense breakup. For this I use a pie chart. So here you can see that for different costs I'm getting the value and I've converted them to percentages. So the maximum percentage of the value is held by cost of goods sold. Then advertising, payroll, others and interest. Similarly, other expense breakup also had the pie plot and with percentages. Similarly, I used the stacked column chart to represent the expenditure on the target versus achieved for advertising and payroll. So here you can see that the darker orange color represents advertising and the lighter one represents the payroll. For advertising, the target was 3 lakhs and 70% of it was achieved. Similarly, for payroll, the target was 2,70,000 and 61% of it was achieved. The final question included us to create charts on other matrices you feel are important. So the profit and loss statement of that year was given to us, and I drew a bar plot based on the expenses. And here you can see that advertising and payroll has most of the expenses involved. This is the final finance dashboard that I got after plotting all the different plots.